Fasting is one of the oldest healing traditions in human history. It predates agriculture, religion, and medicine. It exists in every culture, across every continent, and through every era, because it is not something humans invented, it is something humans inherited. Fasting is embedded directly into human physiology. It is a fundamental operating system. To understand why fasting works, you must first understand the environment in which the human body evolved. For more than 99% of human history, food scarcity was normal. Life was defined by alternating periods of feast and famine. There were no scheduled meals, no structured eating patterns, no snacks. Humans ate when they were hungry and food was available. When it wasn't, they fasted. There was nothing unusual about this. Periods without food were not interpreted as emergencies. They were expected. The human body adapted exquisitely to this reality. It developed a sophisticated energy storage and retrieval system, capable of storing fuel during periods of plenty and mobilizing that fuel efficiently when food was absent. Fasting was not merely tolerated, it was required. Without it, our species would not have survived harsh winters or unsuccessful hunts. When viewed in this evolutionary context, it becomes obvious that fasting is not optional biology. It is essential biology. Even today, studies of hunter-gatherers help clarify this. The Hadza people of Tanzania routinely go long intervals without eating. Yet these individuals remain lean, healthy, and free of diseases, now considered normal in modern societies. These diseases emerge only when processed foods, refined carbohydrates, and constant eating enter a population. They do not appear where fasting occurs naturally. This is important because it underscores a fundamental concept. Fasting is not causing disease. The absence of fasting is. As civilizations emerged, fasting shifted from survival to a deliberate practice. In ancient Egypt, it formed part of religious rites. Priests fasted before ceremonies. The absence of food was believed to create a state of clarity that allowed greater communion with the divine. In Greece, fasting moved into intellectual spheres. Pythagoras required students to fast prior to studying, convinced it improved mental acuity. Hippocrates recommended fasting for various illnesses. Digestion consumes resources, and when sick, those resources must be redirected toward healing. Plato and Socrates also embraced fasting, noting its ability to discipline the body and clarify the mind for self-mastery. In India, fasting became integral to Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism as a way to reduce attachment and purify the mind. Across Abrahamic religions, fasting plays a prominent role. Judaism incorporates fasting into holy days such as Yom Kippur for reflection. Christianity practices Lent for self-discipline, while Islam formalized Ramadan, promoting self-control, compassion, and gratitude through daily fasting. Each of these traditions preserved fasting not because it was easy, but because it produced tangible physical, mental, and emotional benefits.